Mind management presence. How to say I am sorry. Apologizing can be difficult, especially when we're not sure what to say or do to make things right. However, a sincere apology can go a long way in repairing a relationship and restoring trust. Apologies are a complex social behavior that have been studied extensively by social psychologists. According to research, there are several key components that make up an effective apology. Here are some steps you can follow to apologize sincerely. Number 1 equals acknowledge what you did wrong. Start by acknowledging your mistake and taking responsibility for your actions. It's important to be specific and direct in your apology, and to avoid making excuses or downplaying the situation. For example, instead of saying I'm sorry if I hurt your feelings, say I'm sorry for what I said/did that hurt you. Number 2 equals express genuine remorse. Show that you understand how your actions or words hurt the other person and that you feel genuinely sorry for it. This means acknowledging the impact your actions had on the other person, and demonstrating empathy for their feelings. For example, you might say I understand that what I did was hurtful, and I'm truly sorry for the pain it caused you. Number 3 equals make amends. Offer to make things right or to find a solution that will help the other person feel better. This might involve taking concrete steps to address the situation, such as offering to replace something that was damaged, or providing a specific action plan to prevent the same mistake from happening again in the future. It's important to listen to the other person's perspective and to be open to their ideas about how to make things right. Number 4 equals change your behavior. Promise to do better in the future and show that you're committed to changing your behavior. This means taking steps to prevent the same mistake from happening again, and being accountable for your actions moving forward. It's important to follow through on your promises and to demonstrate that you're committed to making things right. Number 5 equals give the person time and space. After apologizing, it's important to give the other person time and space to process their feelings and decide if they're ready to forgive you. Respect their boundaries and don't pressure them to forgive you or move on before they're ready. Remember, a sincere apology requires more than just saying I'm sorry. It's important to take responsibility for your actions and show that you're committed to making things right. By following these steps, you can apologize in a way that is respectful, empathetic, and genuine, and begin the process of rebuilding a relationship that may have been damaged by your actions. Research also suggests that the timing of an apology is important, and that apologizing as soon as possible can be more effective than waiting. Additionally, the tone and delivery of the apology can also impact its effectiveness, with a sincere and empathetic delivery being more effective than a defensive or insincere one. In summary, the best way to apologize according to science is to follow the 6 key components of an effective apology and to deliver it in a sincere, empathetic tone as soon as possible after the offense occurs. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and share it with your friends, so we can keep making them. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button, and remember to click on the notification bell. Also, be sure to check out our other videos as well. Thanks for watching.